Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear viewers, hello. আজকে আমরা দেখব সেন্টেন্স কানেক্টরস এর দ্বিতীয় অংশ অর্থাৎ দ্বিতীয় পর্বে। সো আমরা কিছু ওয়ার্ড দেখব। সো আমরা ফ্রিকোয়েন্টলি যে কথা বলতে পারি ইংলিশ। সো কিছু ওয়ার্ড তার ভিতরে আছে discriminatory like or on the contrary, on the other hand, instead of, in lieu of, etc. So these kinds of word basically used the contrary or dissimilar in a speech, or that's when you speaking with another person, that's your topic is the different, or you are expressing to meaning the difference. That's here you can use this kinds of word. So the another part of, if you want to add your passage more, even you can add your paragraph story that's longer and attractive, and it will be attentively attention to your passage. That's like some of the word. Those are in addition to, furthermore, moreover, besides, on the other hand, also, etc, etc. So these kinds of word or link connectors were basically used for to grow up or just extra word so that your passage is longer and it's a show some extra look. So let's see some of the others. Here you can see some of the word. Those are used basically. There's some kind of, that's not thought same, just like different. Those words are though, although, but, in spite of, despite, nevertheless, etc. So you have to need remember these kinds of word and apply when you speak around your side, around your people, with the people, when your classmate, and your teacher, and your family members, etc, etc. But whenever you get a chance, you just start your speaking English and try to add more new words and learn more words so that you can speak after at a time. You will definitely success to speak in English frequently. There will be no doubt. I am damn sure. Inshallah, just trust me and practice regularly. Definitely, it will be success for your goal. If you want to have a study in the country, English is the best and one of the way to study abroad. Okay, so let's see some of another words. When you explaining that with and if you want to give some example in your speech part, last part, or if you someone say that like your topic is connected with the topic, and if you want to give an example, so here you can use like for example, for instance, such as for example, etc. Okay, so next 10, when you start or any incident, its result, here you can use consequently, hence, therefore, as a result. It's the on kind of it's the incident, it's an event, it's an occur, etc, etc, whatever is a story, then you can use here the consequent, etc, word, this kinds of word. Okay, next, when you in your speaking, or even if the fast, or in your any topic, you end of the speech, you can here use there's a concluding by finishing or finishing word like in conclusion, to conclude, in fine, in brief, in short, to sum up, etc. This kinds of word basically shows or that gives an idea that this passage is the last finishing or step of the last. So you can use it's influently that you have a finishing, a nice finishing step. So last of the connectors. So here we can see some pronouns that also used as connectors, and we speak these kinds of pronouns as relative pronouns. So some of the we know that there are eight kinds of pronouns, but relative pronouns works as connectors and interrogative pronouns works as interrogative question. So I hope you can understand. If you want to speak, you have to apply in the and this relative pronouns as a connector source. Say for example, whose, whose, whom, that, what, etc. Those word means on kind of any existence, metals, etc. But when basically use its time means time, and where it's basically used like a place, a destination, etc. Say if I give you an example, this kinds of sentence, like say who, I know the man who is very nice. Okay. uh, whom do you want, or whom do you finding, etc. That what it means any kinds of metals, etc. So I've lost my pen. That color was red, that color was blue, etc. That means it's pen indicates. When you use when, it means a indicates a time. I reached the railway station when at it was 13 p.m. So it indicates a time. But where, if you use where, it indicates a place. I reached the I reached the place where I show a lot of interesting places, etc. So I hope you can understand. And then if you want to try to like this kinds of tensor one by one, and every day if you will try to apply according to your own wish, according to your own best, so definitely you will success. So I hope you can understand. And today I'm trying to my best to explain some of the connector words or linking words, which is we use every day. So if you try and practice, then it will be very easy and easier. So never lose hopeless. Just try and try. Then you will success today or tomorrow. So thank you, my dear students. I will meet another topic in the next. Thank you.